Hi, I'm Vidhan Tiwari from Sri Chaitanya Techno School and I study in 7th standard. So I was there in the summer camp of Times of India's AI uh, from 2nd June to 13th June. And this is the video in which I will showcase you what I've learned. So first of all, I would like to tell you the real definition of AI. So AI is not just chat GPT. AI is deep learning, machine learning, and even generative AI. It was there since the 1950s. That's pretty old. So now I would like to show you the fun projects I've made using ChatGPT, like ChatGPT first. So this is a comic I've made. Look, it's so good and has consistency of the character. If I hadn't told you that I've used AI for this, you would believe that it was made by AI. And the second thing I learned about was that I could use a tool called Notebook LM. It is a tool using which, see, using which I can upload a data and listen audio podcast, audio overview, like I can talk with chatbots and understand the concept. So that would cut off about 50% of my learning. Like, like reducing the time, improving the preciseness in my projects assignments. From ChatGPT, I can ask about for opinions, ideas for my assignment projects. That would save my time. And then I learned about Higgs field and runway ML. Higgs field is used for visual effects. If I come in Higgs field, you can see some visual effects. You can select any of those. That's cool, right? In runway ML, from image to video or text to video, and it would look cinematic with the lip sync. And then I learned about ideogram, which was used to make posters, like posters on some any topic. It makes mistakes in the words but can be used for a first draft. Remember, AI is for the first draft, not the last one. Then it's Mid Journey, which is used for product advertisement like the professional product videos. You can use Runway ML and Hexfield for that purpose too. Then there's Gamma. Gamma is used for professional presentations within 2 minutes, maybe. And that is shortening the work by even 2 hours now. That's really exciting and cool for me right now. And then I have created posters like this India 2050, and this is the 10th clock. So it was just an infographic video which I made, like an infographic image using ideogram. This is a character card which I made using Chat GPT of a character of my own. Then I learned about Lovable. Lovable is a platform in which you can give a prompt and generate a whole game or a website. This was a game. If I lose, it shows me this. Then I learned about Suno AI. So here I can make music just by a prompt. So no lyrics, just some styling selections, and you're ready to go. Now I would like to tell you that why I would use this in future. So this can help me improve my speech. Like I would use this Loom to improve my speech. Like how confident am I, or I can use it to automate my work or handle my work. So now I'll show you this project called Anyten, like a website tool which is used for making automations and make our work easier. So it is gonna be used in the future. And that's why I was taught this in the school, like the summer camp. Overall, these were the things that I learned in the whole summer camp. It's just an overview, but yeah. So I hope you like the showcase I've done. So thank you.